The next thing one need to understand in the language, Bogene, the pronouns. Kede, the first person, singular, in Igbo language. Mo, thank you. Mo, M, order, mo. And this is I, ish. What of the second person, singular?
Gi or I.
Ge, thank you. Ge, or E. Just like Arinze said here, E na asi, or Ge na asi. And that is you. And what of the third person, singular?
Ha. Ha.
That is the third person plural. If you tell us. Huh? Or? Yes. You see, go on a more Israel Africa, Jamui, we from a big boy Kazigi. Or? Huh?
Ono.
When I come this way, I'm going to very confusing. Ono is third person. Ono is plural, I mean.
Mogi.
Or? You said or, right? Or? Or? Which is? She? He? It. So in Igbo language, O stands for these three pronouns. He, she, ọ na-eri nri, ọ na-abịa, ọ na-agba ọsọ. Now this is all about personal pronouns, singular. Now we go for the plural. The first person plural is
Ani.
Anyị. Yes. Anyị. And that is, what does that mean in English?
Wir.
Wir. We. We. Or in Deutsch, wir. We have to do with three languages now. Here in German is ich. On here, du. Und sie, es. This is German now. So, what of the second person plural?
Uno.
Uno. Thank you very much. Uno. Most important, you must not forget the punctuation. Because without these punctuations, the word can mean a different thing. You understand? This is uno. And that bedeutet
You.
you. Here. You, or in German, here. Alright? And then the third person,
Ha.
ha. Thank you very much. Ha. And what does that mean? They.
Si.
They in English and sie in German.
Aber Uno auf Englisch ist nicht them. Oder?
Them, yes? No. Ha.
Dat is wat anders.
Wait. That's a very good point. Ha. Them. You can as well use them.
Okay.
Go and cook for them. Gaa siere ha nri. Go and cook for them. Gaa siere ha nri. They are coming. Ha na-abịa. I don't know if you understand where am I now. I want to differentiate on work out on what you said. Them. Where do we fix them here? Now, this is ha, they. But you can as well use them. For example, siere ha nri, cook for them. And what of here now? Uno. Uno na-esi nri, they are cooking. Uno na-abịa. They. That can as well go with they. Uno. Asị m unu bịa, I'm telling you to come. Asị m unu gaa ahịa, I'm telling you to go to the market. This is unu is you in plural. Them, what you said is ha. You understand?
Mhm.
Now, when you understand the personal pronoun now, then you have done, if you understand the alphabet, the personal pronoun, you have come a bit closer to understanding Igbo language. Because every other thing you say is just for you to learn your vocabulary and then make use of all these ones. For example, like Alinze said, "E na asị asị." If you understand what is asị, to tell lies, then understand the personal pronoun e. Yeah? E na asị. This one is what we call enyemaka ngwa. Ngwa is verb. Ngwa means verb. Yeah? In Igbo language, na is what I would translate as helper of the verb. E na asị asị. What is the verb here in this sentence? Not nasi, not asi than ase. This one is just the helper. What I will say, the helper of the verb. Ị na-agba ọsọ. Or let us remove the pronoun noun and use real name. Chinaza na agba ọsọ. So, what is the verb here now in this sentence? Agba. Agba. Run. Na agba ọsọ. Ifeanyi na anyụ nsị. What is the meaning of this sentence in Igbo? Ifeanyi na anyụ nsị. What does that mean?
Ifeanyi is making caca.
Ifeanyi is making caca. What is the verb, the noun, and the tell me the verb here in this sentence and the noun.
Ifani.
The noun is Ifan, yes.
The verb is an
Anyo. O. This is O. The yo without any point is U. And this is O. Ifani na nyonse. This one is also a noun. Alright? This is a noun. Is a noun. Yes, it's a noun. And this one is what we call the helper. Enyemaka ngwa. Normally, they are come in a typical Igbo writing. You put a hyphen here so that it looks as if they are one word. Na nyo nse. Yeah? And one other sentence again with which vocabulary? With that, when you understand the ABCD, you understand the pronouns, then it's a bit easier for you to use them to form sentences when you know. Arinze, nerini. Arinze, na, eri, nri. This is the verb. Eri. This is the helper, the enyemaka ngwa. Like I said, normally there should be a hyphen here. Neri. Yes, naba. You see, you can understand that Igbo language is one of the simple language. You just need to get the mathematical formula. Everything has to do with mathematics. I think I told you people.
Yeah.
You know? So with these very two now, you are very close to understanding the language. The other ones is for you to understand the vocabulary, know what this and this means. You know? Arinze, neri, ndri. This is food. You can as well say arinze, na, ata, anu. Arinze na ata anu or arinze na ata azu. Yes? Na ata is a verb. Ata. O na ata anu. O na ata azu.
Baba, what is the difference between Nata and Neri?
Nata is what you chew. This is atata, to chew. Neri can as well be something you swallow or something you chew. Neri, neri is the general word. Nata is to be specific. Yeah? To be specific, to define exactly what kind of food the person is eating. We can as well use arinze na aṅụ mmiri.